Hi, good day to my future employer. I am Kringle S. Lagdi, 44 years old, single. I studied Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. My working experience before as a domestic helper was in Taiwan for 8 years. And in my first employer, my duties and responsibilities was doing the household chores like cleaning the house, doing the laundry, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the newborn baby. And in my second employer, my duties and responsibilities was doing the household chores as well. And I was also in charge in taking care of the 5 months old baby and the 5 days old toddlers. I have also experienced in the Philippines for 2 years as a caregiver in the hospital. I was in charge in taking care of the newborn baby, the sick patient, and also the elderly. Ma'am, sir, please give me a chance to work to your family. And I am a hardworking and a dedicated person, and I am willing to learn whatever task that has given to me. And if you will hire me, I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.